Hey, what's up here fam? Welcome to my channel and to today's video. So this is the first video in 2021, and as usual I'm bringing you a DIY recipe. And guys, this is a DIY herbal shampoo made with neem and African black soap. This is a great shampoo, and if it is something that you're interested in trying, please watch this video till the end, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up after you watch. So the first ingredient I'm going to be needing is my raw African black soap mix. That is African black soap that is melted in water to give you this smooth, beautiful mix. Now the next one is my penetrating oil mix, and then I have my neem powder and my thickener, my liquid thickener, and also my citric acid, just to sort of like adjust the pH of the product. So what I begin with is to measure about 100 ml, 100 grams of the African black soap, and this is just raw African black soap. There's nothing in it. I just melted it in warm water, and so I pour about 100 ml of it, and then I add my neem powder. Now you can use any Ayurvedic powder that you have, but I'm choosing neem because it is very beneficial, and because I have dandruff in my hair, I decided to go with neem powder. Now the next thing that I do after this is to add my oil, my penetrating oil mix. Now this I add about 50 grams of the oil, of the oil into the mixture. You can add more or less depending on how you want it, but specifically I add a lot of oils because I just want my shampoo to be very moisturizing. So this is what I have after I have mixed everything up, and you can see the color of the shampoo. I mean, the neem powder really changed the color of the shampoo. Now what I do next is just add my citric acid to adjust the pH. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to measure the pH, but whenever you're doing this, you can just get a pH adjuster to adjust to measure the pH of your product. And so this is actually the shampoo. Now the next thing, which is very optional, you don't really need to add it, is your liquid thickener. Now this thickener is to just to make the shampoo thicker, give it a thicker consistency, which is something that I love. I just like my shampoos to be thick. That's what I use, a thickener, but you don't necessarily need this in your recipe. And then I went ahead to add more of the citric acid, but you don't need to add more. Just make sure that your pH is within a range of 7.5 to 8, especially if you are using African black soap. You can't really lower the pH that much. So after this, I just transfer it into my liquid container, and this is what I have. Now you can as well put in a preservative to preserve your shampoo, but personally I'm gonna be using it immediately, so I did not add a preservative to it, and I'm not doing it that much, just a little, go all the way. You can just get the recipe down, and then when you need it, you just go ahead and mix it up and then get it. This is something that you can do in some few minutes. So guys, this is the texture and consistency of my shampoo. I really like it, and it lathers also well. I didn't try it on my hair on camera, but trust me, you're gonna want to use it. So let me know if you would be trying this, or if you on your hair, and let me know your thought about it. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.